What if I told you there's an AI tool that can hack Google's algorithm and help you build $1 million business? Sounds too good to be true, right? Well, this AI tool is called DeepSeek AI, and it's so powerful that it's shaking up the tech world. In this video, I'll show you how to use DeepSeek to uncover profitable business ideas and drive massive traffic to your website, all on autopilot. Stick around, because I'll also share 10 free prompts to clone this system before it's too late. Let's dive in! So what's the big deal about DeepSeek? Well, it's not just another AI tool. DeepSeek is a psychological warfare machine. Instead of spitting out generic answers, it breaks down problems into tiny logical steps, like a master strategist solving a puzzle. When you ask DeepSeek to analyze your market or research a business idea, it doesn't just give you a list of products to sell. It digs deep into the psychology of your customers, uncovering their deepest fears, hidden desires, and the problems that keep them up at night. This means DeepSeek can help you create products that feel like they're reading your customers' minds. And here's the kicker. DeepSeek is 100% free right now. While other AI tools charge hundreds of dollars a month, DeepSeek is out here dominating the leaderboards and beating giants like OpenAI and Claude. But why is it so powerful? Let's break it down. DeepSeek works in 2 stages. Stage 1, uncover profitable products. DeepSeek helps you identify the most profitable products in your niche by analyzing your market's pain points and desires. For example, if you're targeting the fitness niche, DeepSeek can uncover specific problems like chronic back pain or the inability to stay consistent with workouts. Stage 2, drive traffic with emotional SEO. Once you've identified your product, DeepSeek helps you create content that resonates with your audience on an emotional level. This isn't just about keywords. It's about understanding what your customers are truly searching for and crafting content that speaks directly to their needs. Let me show you how it works step by step. Here's how you can use DeepSeek to build a profitable online business. Step 1. Prime DeepSeek. Start by telling DeepSeek what you need. For example, you can say, you are a market research and offer creation expert. I'm launching a digital product online and need your help figuring out what to launch. My next prompt will get us started. Do you understand? DeepSeek will confirm and prepare to assist you. Step 2. Conduct a market interview. Ask DeepSeek to interview you about your target market. For example, please give me a set of 5 questions. My answers will help uncover the biggest problems my customers have. DeepSeek will ask questions like, what specific daily activity makes their problem worse? What quick fixes have they tried that failed? What do they secretly believe about their problem? Answer these questions as if you're your ideal customer. Step 3. Generate product ideas. Based on your answers, DeepSeek will generate 10 to 20 potential digital products. For example, if you're targeting people with back pain, it might suggest a 30-day back pain relief challenge, a downloadable guide to pain-free workouts, or a video course on improving posture. Step 4. Create emotional SEO content. Now that you have your product, it's time to drive traffic. Ask DeepSeek to create blog post titles and outlines that target your audience's emotions. For example, create an EAT-optimized outline for a blog post titled, Resting Ruins Your Back: Why Movement Heals Chronic Pain Faster. DeepSeek will generate a detailed outline, including keywords and subtopics that Google loves. Step 5. Launch and scale. Use DeepSeek's insights to create your product and content. Then, drive traffic using emotional SEO strategies. Before you know it, you'll have a thriving online business. DeepSeek isn't just another AI tool, it's a game changer. Here's why. Speed and accuracy. DeepSeek processes data faster and more accurately than most AI tools. Emotional intelligence. It understands human psychology, helping you create products and content that resonate deeply with your audience. Cost-effective. While other tools charge hundreds of dollars, DeepSeek is completely free. But here's the catch. DeepSeek is a product of China, and there's speculation that it was designed to compete with US-based tech giants. Whether or not that's true, one thing is clear. DeepSeek works, and it's here to stay. If you're ready to take your online business to the next level, DeepSeek is the tool you need. Don't forget to download the free prompts I mentioned earlier. They'll help you clone this system and start making money online. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on more AI tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.